Hey guys, it's Jenny. So today I am back with another unboxing of Smartass and Sass, and I'm really excited to get into this box. It seems like you guys love this box, and I think it's really fun too. I love how all the products in here are a little bit sassy, but also super useful. Like, what better way could you have a subscription box? So with all of that said, let's get into this unboxing. So this month's theme is Here Comes Trouble. Oh my gosh. And then inside we have a sneak peek of everything inside of this box. I don't know, like they managed to pack so much stuff inside of this box, so I'm excited to dig through all of the layers and see what is in here. So, it says you should see my active bitch face. That's funny. Is this like a makeup bag? Oh, it's a makeup bag. You can use it as a little clutch if you want to go out and just be a little bit sassy to the whole world. But that is so fun. That is really fun. Okay. The thing that I'm pulling out is this Here Comes Trouble ceramic. I don't know what it is. Like, to me, it looks like a little flower pot, like a itty bitty flower pot. I like how it looks like wet. I love the sound of it too. Okay. I am now pulling out this collectible sassy stickers design number 2. I love the design from last month. It says, I don't take orders, I barely take suggestions. Yes, that is a big move for me, but I love the sticky notes. I love the stationery in here because I rely on that so heavily in my day-to-day. And I think that it's fun to add a little bit of flair and not just have boring yellow sticky pads just sitting at my desk. Okay. I love pens. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Says decorative pen set. I'm gonna pull these out. I just reading the one and I'm like, I have to hide these from my family because we all steal pens from each other and I don't want these stolen from me. Okay, so the first one says your face is weird. Oh, okay. The next one says you're for sure getting fired. That would cause me so okay, somebody can steal this one. That one's causing me a little bit of anxiety. This one says that idea is garbage. Why did you say that to somebody? That's horrible. Everyone is judging you. And then this one says you've already peaked. This is the first one that I saw. I love this one. This one's very funny. Okay. I'm also pulling out this washi tape that has some, like, it's just a painted fingernail with somebody flipping just the middle finger up. Oh my gosh, that is funny. That is funny. Where can I put that? I'm also pulling out, oh, this is a different product. This says unapologetically me perfume roll on. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that's different. I have never received anything like that in Smartass and Sass. Oh, what is that scent? Oh, at first I really liked it and then I rubbed it in and I don't like it. Like, at first it smelled like vanilla-y and like a little florally. And now it smells like a public bathroom. So I hope they have something like a detailed explanation of what that is to help suggest to my nose a little bit better of what it is in that card. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out is this notebook, it looks like. And the notebook says, underestimate, oh, yes, big mood. Yes, it says underestimate me. That'll be fun. Yes, I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay, plus it's like a really, like, if I could pass this around to all of you guys and be like, feel this notebook, I would. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a really thick cardboard, but it kind of also feels like an eraser a little bit, but it's a lined notebook. Oh my gosh, and it has a little bookmark. Oh my gosh, and then it has a little, you can store the papers in there, and then there's a little bookmark. How amazing. I love this notebook. Okay, so let's go through. I like this month's box a lot. And let's talk about what is in here. So the perfume roll-on from S&S and Scented Studio. Oh, this one has Sweet Rain, Arabian Sandalwood, Luscious Orange Blossoms, and Desire Oils. Has a retail value of $6.95. Okay, not a favorite, but I love the idea behind it. Totally love it. Just doesn't meet my scent favorites. Here Comes Trouble shot. That's a huge shot glass. What? this is like a really big shot glass. This oversized, if I took a second to read, shot glass is perfect for getting into trouble with your favorite liquor or condiment. Yes! Has a retail value of $8. I Don't Take Order sticky notes has a retail value of $3. The Active Bitch Face pouch has a retail value of $16. The Demotivational pen set has a retail value of $10.50. The Middle Finger Washi Tape has a retail value of $4.50. And the Underestimate Me journal, which I think is my favorite, has a retail value of $15. And the July theme is For Fox's Sake. So, okay, I feel like Smartass and Sass, like every month I get them, I'm like, oh my gosh, they keep getting better and better. My favorite items in here, I love the washi tape. That was so fun and surprising. Love the pen set, and I love the journal that we got. But this box was so fun. I really honestly, like, I never think, I'm like, oh yes, like this is a subscription box that I absolutely love. But when I open it up, I always feel so thrilled with everything that I got in here. But that is everything that I received in my Smartass and Sass subscription box. What did you guys think of this box, and are there any other subscription boxes that you would like to see me unbox on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.